Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to find legit Airbnb promo codes online the right way. So first, let's start by browsing. Open your browser. Navigate to your search engine. Let's start with a smart Google search like Airbnb promo code July 2025. That helps you find only currently valid codes from coupon aggregators and visit reliable coupon sites such as Groupon.com or couponfollow.com or Glamour magazine. Let me go with this one. And okay, let's continue with this one for now. So when booking an Airbnb, paste the copied code into the promo code box during the checkout to apply the discount. If it's still valid, you will see your price drop. Use Airbnb's referral program. Invite a friend and both of you get travel credit. New users often receive up to 55% off their first stay. Follow Airbnb on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter and subscribe to their newsletter for flash deals and exclusive promo codes. Reddit communities like r/Airbnb or r/promo codes often share referral links or first-time booking discounts. For example, users have shared links giving $34 off for new signups. Some users save 5 to 10% by purchasing BNB gift cards at a discount from places like Sam's Club, Raise or Card Beer, then applying that credit at checkout. And yes, those are the best strategies for finding valid Airbnb promo codes in 2025. So if this gave you money saving ideas, hit like, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.